Hello there lovelies, Ashley Michelle here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. You guys, we are jumping straight into this wig review. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Outre Perfect Hairline Lace Front Wig in the style Malibu. She is a 13x4 fully hand-tied lace front wig. She is 16 inches. And you guys, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. Y'all, when I saw this color, baby, I just had to get it, okay? So I have the color 3DR4 or cream ombre. She's a beautiful highlighted ombre wig with dark brown roots, blonde streaks, and then the brown ends. And I really love this color because of the dark roots, especially if you're new to wearing color. Sometimes it's not as easy to blend the hairline when it's a fully blonde unit. So I really do love that they added these dark roots. And let's go ahead and get into this construction. So she does have two combs by the temples, a comb in the nape section. She also has adjustable straps by the nape as well, and we do have an elastic band, and that literally is my favorite part of the construction of this unit is the elastic band, because she is an adjustable elastic band as well. So here you see me adjusting the elastic band, and I also do believe that you can take the elastic band out as well. So you have a lot of versatility when it comes to how you want to wear this wig. And you guys, the band is super duper stretchy, so it is big head friendly and able to be adjusted based on your head size. And then again, we do have lace from ear to ear, and this is what the lace looks like up against my skin. And you guys, Outre do not be missing. They got the baby hairs already ready for you. So if you do not know how to do baby hairs, this wig already comes with it. And look at that lace and that hairline. Like, you guys, Outre does their big one each and every time. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, especially with this Perfect Hairline collection, it's just chef kissed. So let's go ahead and get into the install. So today I'm gonna be using the Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the color 14, and I am gonna be using the darker shade out of the duo. And I'm simply just going to be taking a dense foundation brush to pack that foundation all over my lace. And you guys, I don't know why I was looking like this in the video, but I promise you guys, I was enjoying myself doing this install for you guys. And here I'm just going to be using my hot comb on, I think I did about 235 degrees. And I'm using this to smooth back the hairline so that way there are no hairs in the way when I go in to cut the lace. And this just makes it super duper easy to apply my wigs. So if you haven't tried this method, I definitely would suggest it because it just makes your application a whole lot smoother. So here I'm just hot combing every single strand away from the hairline. And shout out to my homegirl for my nails. Like, I know y'all see them, they popping, okay? Anyways, back to the wig review. So once I have everything smoothed out to my liking, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace. And I'm gonna start by cutting off my ear tabs, and you're just gonna cut those straight across. I don't do anything fancy, I just cut those straight across. For me, I do have a very low growing hairline, so the least amount of lace that I can have on the wig, the better. And here I'm just cutting the lace in a zigzag motion. So I'm simply just making little triangles across the entire hairline. So I'm cutting in a zigzag or a jagged motion. And the reason why you want to do this is so that way the lace, it also, to me, it lays a whole lot more flush to the hairline. And this is what I mean by a zigzag or jagged motion. And even this is still a little bit too much lace. I do go in and cut more off, but if you're a beginner, I definitely would suggest starting off with this because it's a little bit easier to manipulate and work with. So before I apply the wig, I am going to crisscross the adjustable straps in the back. I do this because it does create a little bit more tension on the unit, and then I am going to adjust the adjustable band to my liking and place that on the nape of my hairline, and then I'm going to pull the wig down the front. And y'all, I don't know, in this moment it was giving me like those white powdered wigs that they used to wear way back in the day. Like, yeah, that's what I was doing right here. But we're gonna go ahead and just slide the wig on back, and not the wig falling off my head. So let's go ahead and try this again. I'm gonna take the elastic band and place that on the nape of my hairline, and then I'm just going to pull the wig on back, and I'm just gonna readjust my wig cap. You guys, I haven't done a ball cap in so long. It just, for me, I switch my wigs out so much, it's just easier for me to do it this way. But baby, do you see this color? She is eating down, okay? Miss Malibu and Cream Ombre is eating the girls up, okay? Period. So if you are looking for a nice pop of color for the fall, but you want to do a color that's not so much fall, I definitely would suggest trying out this color. Like, she is super duper beautiful. And look at that hairline, y'all. This is why I said cut that jagged edge, because you literally can wear this wig glueless. And in today's video, that's exactly what I did. I did not put any spray, no lace glue, nothing on this wig, because look at that lace. Like, you can't even tell me where is the lace. Help me find it, sis, because I don't see it. But anyways, I'm going in with my wax stick, and I really didn't even have to do this step because the top of the wig was already pretty flat. But just to make it even more flat, I'm gonna take the wax stick and my hot comb to smooth out the top of the wig. And y'all, look at this. Like, you can't tell me that this isn't my hair. Like, look how beautiful that is looking. And another thing that I forgot to do was go in with a little bit more concealer on the front portion, because you can see where my wig cap starts and stops. But I mean, so nobody got to be in my business like that anyway. So you guys, I really wanted to show you guys how versatile this wig really can be. So I decided to do a half up, half down hairstyle. And I'm just taking a section from the front of the wig and just smoothing that into a ponytail. And then I left 2 sections in the front as like a bang area, just to give it a little bit more definition and just flirtiness with this look. And I'm just taking a satin scrunchie and putting that top half into a ponytail, and boom, you have a whole another entire look with this. And you guys know, I mean, I gotta try different looks, so I decided to put the ponytail into like a messy bun and just pin it with a bobby pin. And just like that, you have 3 hairstyles in one with this unit. And there's definitely a whole lot more that you can do with this unit as well. And you guys already know I like to be add a little razzle dazzle. So I'm gonna go in and add my cute little chopsticks into the bun, just to put everything all together. And yes, like, we on a popping right now. So y'all, this is the final results of this install. I definitely would say you need to run, sis, and grab this unit. She's versatile. You can wear her glueless, you can lay her down, you can wear her in a middle part, side part, flip over, half up, half down. Like, Miss Malibu is giving me everything that I need for this fall season. So if you are looking for a very affordable, beginner friendly wig, and if you want to try some color for this fall 2024 season, I would definitely suggest adding the Outre Perfect Hairline Malibu Lacefront wig to your collection, because sis, she is giving. Like, y'all see it, she giving. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something new. Do not forget to share this video with your beauty besties so we all can look fabulous together. And you guys already know what to do. Remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin'. And I will see you guys in my next video.